Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through some of the questions in exercise 10C.2. So in these questions we're now trying to find the unknown angle instead of the unknown side length. So the first step is still the same. So let's say this is the angle I'm going to be looking at. So first I'm going to be looking at theta. You want to label your side lengths. So I've got here an adjacent side and here I've got a hypotenuse. So if I've got my SO, CAR, and TOA, I've got A and H, so I'm going to be using cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, I'm going to fill it in, so I've got cos theta equals 10 over 13. Alright, so to get rid of sine, because we want theta by itself, we take the inverse. So just as plus, the opposite to that is minus, when you multiply something, the opposite to that is dividing. When you have your trig ratios, so if I have cosine, the opposite to that is the inverse, so cos to the negative 1, and you find that by pressing shift cos on your calculator. Alright, same thing for tan. So if I've got tan, my inverse of tan is tan to the minus 1, and you'd press shift tan. And I've got sine, and the inverse of sine is sine to the minus 1. So here I take my inverse of cos, so it becomes theta is cos to the minus 1, 10 over 13. So my angle for theta is 39.7 degrees. Alright, then it wants me to find this angle here. So again, there's two ways I could do this. One way is I would relabel my sides. So this would now become, 10 would become the opposite, and 13 is still the hypotenuse, and I could use sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Or the other way is the rule for angles of a triangle is that they all add up to 180. So I could, therefore, I could go 180, take away 90, take away 39.7, and remember I got my 90 from the right angle, 90, whoops, and I would get 50.3 degrees, and that's my angle for my other angle. So that's how you do question 3A. Question 3B and C, you would do them the same way. Then I would like you guys to have a go at question 4 and question 5. Now with question 5, alright, remember you're assuming here that these are two right angled triangles. I would use Pythagoras to find x, and then you can use one of your ratios to find theta. Alright, and then it will be similar with question B. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, I'm happy to help. Good luck.